today's lesson we are actually going to learn another stitch, another basic crochet stitch. This one is called the half double crochet. Now going forward, please remember all the stitches that are being taught to you are in US terms because that's how I have learned them. So when you come across a pattern, the crocheter will clearly mention whether the stitches have been made in US or UK terms. So you'll have to check and then proceed with the project. When it comes to the half double crochet and any other crochet stitch going forward, it's all about increasing the height, increasing or reducing the height. So the single crochet row will be the shortest row. Well, slip stitches can also make a row, and then the next one would probably be the half double crochet. In order to make the half double crochet, I've already made 2 and the third row of half double crochet. Let me show you how to make it now. In this stitch, you will first pull up a loop on your hook before inserting. So if we go back, your single crochet stitch is you put it into the gap with the V in it, you put your hook through, pull up a loop and pass your thread through both the loops. This is a single crochet. Whereas a half double crochet is when you pull up a loop, there will be a loop on 2 loops now on your hook, go into the same gap with the V, pull up a loop. Now you will have 3 loops on your hook. Unlike in the single crochet, you only have 2. In the half double crochet, you will have 3 loops on your hook. Now you have to pull your loop through all 3 loops. This is one half double crochet made. Let's do that again. You pull, you go down, you go below your thread, pull a loop, hold it, then go inside the V space, pull up a loop. You will have 3 loops on your hook, go below, hook your thread through and you will pass it through all 3 hoops. This is your second half double crochet make. Go down, pull up a loop, hold this, there will be 2 loops now on your hook, go inside the V, pull up a loop, 3 loops now you have, go down, pull through 3. That's your half double crochet. Now you again go, I'm going to mark the last stitch, and the last one, pull up a loop and pass through. Now when you have to go to the next row, when you're doing horizontal, you're making a square, a crochet square, you will stitch chain 1 again or chain 2, but right now chain 1, I'm doing chain 1, go again, loop, put it through the V, pull 3 loops, you will have 3 loops now, pull your thread through all 3 loops. And like I've already mentioned, I gotta find it. Always mark your first and your last stitch. I mark the last one. Mark your first stitch. Again, let's try it again. Go down, hold the thread on your hook, go through the next V, pull up a loop. You will have 3 loops on your hook. Go under the thread, pull a loop through all 3. Again, as you practice, your speed will increase, but for the time being you need to see how it is being done. You have to go under the yarn. There will be 2 loops now. Pass it through the next V. This is the V. We're passing it to the next V. Pull hook and pull up a loop. You will have 3 loops on your yarn. Pull a loop through all 3 stitches. And this is how you will make a half double crochet. Until next lesson, bye.